Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will add the police station inside our game. So you can select anywhere inside the map to add your police station, but I will select this area because in this area we have the police station in the introductory video as well. So what you will do, just drag your player from there to this position right here, and after dragging your player, then just go ahead and download this WinRAR file, and after downloading it, click on extract here, and after extracting it will give you this your unity package file, which is by the name of police station. So let's just double click on it, and after double clicking on it, it will show you this unity package window. Okay, this is the whole package. So let's just simply click on import. It will take a minute to import, so just wait for it. So as you can see, it is imported. Now if you click on this Soja Exiles, then the police department folder, and then in the prefabs we have the structures, and in the structures we have these two structures, as you can see. And guys, let me tell you that I don't own these assets. This is from the Unity Asset Store, so just make sure that you go ahead and download this from there. And now with that clear, we can now add this first structure, because this we will be using this one. If you want, you can use the other one, but I will just simply drag and drop this one right there. And after doing that, let me rotate it. But first of all, let me click on prefab, unpack completely, and let's name this as police station, and let me put this inside the environment. Then on the rotation Y, let's make it 90. Now let me move it right there. Okay, now if we save the game, now let's play the game. Let me put it on the maximize window, and as you can see, there is the police station. Okay, now let's try to open this door, and as you can see, the door is being opened. Now let's move further to that position. Now let's try to open this door, and as you can see, when we hover our crosshair on the door lock, it opens the window. And now as you can see, we can walk in the police station. If we click on that door, as you can see, this door is opened. Okay, now let's move outside. Now let's open this door up, and as you can see, this door is opened, and right here we will be having our mission. Okay, and we will add the police officers right here. Okay, now let's try to open this door. As you can see, we can open every door in this police station, and also we can open the drawers as well, I think. Let me for example open this one up, and as you can see, we can open the drawers as well. Okay, so this whole police station is workable. Okay, and if the opening door system doesn't work for you, then let me tell you one thing about this. Let me close the game. So as you know that our player has a tag player, and it is also on the layer, which is by the name of player. Okay, and now if we check this door, if we click on it, as you can see, this door has this script which is by the name of open close door. And if we now open the script, right here we have created a reference to our player transform, and then in the start function we assign the player to that transform. Okay, and then we say that if the player is in the range of the door, then we will simply open the door. Okay, this is not my script, but I have just changed this player thing. Okay, this is the creator scripts right here. Okay, I've just changed this player thing in it, because as you know that we have our player who will do everything. So I have just added a reference to our player, and then we say that if the player is near the door and then he move his crosshair to this door lock, then we will open the door lock. Okay, So make sure that your player tag is by the name of player and also the layer is by the name of player, and then this code will work perfectly fine for your game as well. So now in this way we can open and close the store, and as you can see it shows this debug message as well. Okay, now with this done, in the next video we will add the police officers inside our police station and they will work everywhere inside the police station. So let's end this video right here.